How to save Instagram story with music. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to save Instagram story with music. So to save an Instagram story with music to your phone's gallery, the most reliable method is to use the Instagram direct message trick, which allows you to save the audio directly through the app without any third-party tools. So what you have to do is open your Instagram app, then tap the messenger icon at the bottom of your screen, and then open the chat. Now once you open the chat, tap the blue camera icon at the bottom left of the chat window. Now record a video or just swipe up to select a photo or video from your gallery. Now once you select your photo or video, tap the sticker icon at the top, or you can just simply select the music icon from your top and then choose your song. Now once you choose your song, look at the bottom left of the screen and cycle through the options until it's set to allow replay, keep in chat, or view once. Once you do that, hit send to post it into the chat. Now once sent, press and hold the video inside the chat bubble, then tap save. The video will download straight to your camera roll with the audio perfectly preserved. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.